So there are a lot of computer algebra systems out there that allow you to do calculus and other kinds of algebra. And so I just want to show a couple of them. Now, I still expect you guys to show work, even though these things kind of do the work for you. But just to make sure everybody's on an even playing field, one of them out there is Wolfram Alpha. They have a free version and a paid for. The free version has some limited functionality, but it does some amazing stuff. Like if I just type something in here like derivative of, oops, I gotta click in the box, there we go. Derivative of, and then I can type whatever I want. Like they give me a suggestion there, x to the fourth times sine, x raised to the fourth. I'm just gonna type it myself, times the sine of x, I like parentheses, and I hit enter, and it is going to run a calculation for me and say, oh yeah, here's what the derivative is cleaned up. Step by step is probably, oh my gosh, they even give that away? No, they don't. You got to go buy the pro to get that. So I had a nephew a while back that was in engineering school, and I bought him a subscription for this because it's a powerful tool. And you might ask, is that legal? Of course it's legal. However, if there was a test and I said, hey, show the work, and you didn't show anything, that would be a problem if you just stated the answer, because this is actually not a trivial problem. So, and I have friends that are professional engineers, and sometimes they work out by hand derivatives like this, but often they just use a computer algebra system. A popular one used in industry is called MATLAB, and Wolfram Alpha makes another one called Mathematica. Another one that I really like is the derivative calculator. Derivative calculator. So if you haven't seen this before, maybe this will blow your mind. With steps, exclamation point. This is a beautiful tool. So this is based on an open source computer algebra system. And you just type the function you want the derivative of, like a moment ago on the other one, I just did x to the fourth times the sine of x. Again, you got to type it in there, right, for this to work. And it says, you want the derivative of that function? Yeah, that's what I want. And then I hit go. And this one, and if you're going to be a programmer, he has a section about how it works. I highly recommend you read it. It's a fascinating system he wrote here. So here he shows the original function, and then he shows one answer and another answer, and then I can actually see the steps for it. So it's a good learning tool for sure. And something to keep in mind, this is out there. You guys are going to use this on your homework, but don't rely on it too heavily. But it is a nice tool. And it even shows some graphs, f versus f prime, and I can toggle one off, other one back on. So this is a very, very powerful one. We even do a second derivative for me if I ask nice right there. So two powerful tools for using derivatives, and use them with caution. The derivative calculator, powerful tool, and Wolfram Alpha. Enjoy.